How much is a 2000D Lincoln cent worth? Do you own one? Hello, coin collectors and numismatic enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered how much a 2000D Lincoln cent in mint condition might be worth? Today on CoinAZ, we will tell you about this coin that is of interest to collectors. Why is this coin so special? The 2000D Lincoln cent is not the rarest coin, but what if it is in mint condition? Imagine it. A bright iridescent patina on the obverse reflective fields, no visible damage or contact marks. These details make the coin incredibly attractive to collectors. How to evaluate coin condition? For those who do not know how coin condition is classified, an important point is the MS Mint State Grading Scale. This is a system by which coins that have not been circulated and have retained their original shape are graded. MS 70 is a perfect condition, where the coin has no flaws whatsoever, while MS 60 and below may have significant damage. For more information on how to properly grade coins, watch our video linked below where we explain in detail how to understand the MS grades. This will help you accurately value your collection and understand what might be truly valuable. Do you have one of these coins in your collection? While most of these coins are easy to find in circulation, finding one in uncirculated condition is quite an achievement. And if it has exceptional qualities such as no scratches or blemishes, the price can go up significantly. What is the real value of a 2000D Lincoln cent? Could it be a real gem? For example, one such example in MS 69 red condition, sold at Stack's Bowers for $2,415 in 2010. What if you have one in perfect condition? Could you sell it for a lot of money? Do you think it's worth looking for a mint condition 2000D Lincoln cent? Let us know in the comments if you have one or have ever found one in similar condition. If you're wondering how much these coins are worth and want to see more videos about rare and valuable coins, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you don't miss new videos. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Your likes and subscriptions always inspire us.